Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so working on replacing Acme's threads. 3/8 by 10. Okay, in this old Elgine lathe compound. How to fix. It's a good name for it, I guess. I've been trying to find info, but nothing on the internet. But what's this down here? Hold on. I got a plug. Plug it in, baby. Plug it in. Okay. Get more light on the topic for those with stuck with the dead, not working compounds. All right. So this part here is also a 10 Acme, and I simply had one in a compound that wasn't destroyed. They used these things until they failed. War production, I presume. So, okay, got that part done. It works great. And also, I'm going to buy a Acme thread cap 3/8 10. And I can make my own bronze nuts kind of for these things. So I got a number of them. They're totally worn out. Yeah. Problem is, here we go. I'll put this down again. I think I'll put it down. Oh, I guess I will put it down. Anyway, I got light going on it. So, this part, the bottom part, if you're stuck with this, do note there's a little pin that goes down from here to here and holds that in. Okay, so what I tried to do, I knocked the pin out and had to cut it. You can see it right there. However, I'll just take a torch to that and then cut it off later. But, so I tried to get this out. It's very difficult to get out. I took a 7/16 tap and went in there for the hell of it. See if it would give and pull out. Nope. So what I'll do is just drill it out, right? Then put a new bronze ones in. Oh, my arms are all oily. Oh, good. Oh, wow, Mr. Oily. Hi, Mr. Oily. Get one of these. So I'll just drill that out. I believe it's about a 1/2 inch. Just drill all that mess out and put in a 3/8 by 10 threads, Acme thread. Press fit, drill down through here where the little hole is, right? Simply tap it and put a little screw in there, right? Hold it in place, no problem. I mean, I don't have to go through like they did here. Interesting how they built these things. Very well made. And I got a bunch of them with dead threads. So I'm figuring out, oh, well, okay, maybe I can make a bunch. Get on a lathe and turn down some bar stock and brass, bronze. Drill a hole, tap it, cut it, make a bunch of nuts. And I can always, with this weird one here, I can somehow weld that on, cut off the old dead part and weld on this part and adjust it, no problem. Okay, easy, easy, easy. Great. Okay, so that's the story of the Elgine lathe compound rest. So last thing to do is simply just put a bronze nut in there, okay, and drill it out. I got a bunch up here too. They're smaller, little smaller type for these cataract lathes. I have a bunch of these suckers laying around, which are okay. They're good. Meant for these lathes, meaning they weren't worn out. these were probably used by turn of the century folks. Oh, that's cool. You know, and it sort of faded away and wound up in somebody's basement and went on eBay, which I got about 10 or 12, and another one over there. Ha ha ha. There's a nice compound on it, so. That's fun for today. And get up. Take a look at this guy again over here. Get this guy running soon. You know, that's a fairly big compound. Probably could even use that on Elgine lathe, but no, this guy should have his own compound, right? Right. There's a big fella. And a big headstock. Several hundred pounds each. Yeah, I'm gonna make put a chuck on it and mount the compound for short work, you know, what the hell. So, that's that. I saw on eBay they have the taps where you can make your own bronze pieces. 10 threads by 3/16. Oh, good, $19. Oh, okay, let's do that. I'll also look for bronze nuts too on eBay. You can always put them in a shaper or milling machine or whatever, and they can fit in that hole, no problem. It's always fun doing this stuff. Easy. On that note, I guess I should shut up and get going on other things. Here. Hello, EVO. I hear you barking outside. What? Hi, EVO. Come to the back door and bark. Which he always has around the time. He's back to his old self. He just had some macadamia nuts that kind of messed up his system. But I was quite worried, so he's back in action. Macadamia nuts. Don't always check on the internet what you feed your pet. Somebody fed him macadamia nuts. He got sick. Well, I guess I got going, huh? Yeah, okay.